From slow. 1 and 2. 3, plie 4. Turn to the side. 5. Second position, plie on 6. Drag in on 7. When you straighten your knee, you open your arm on 8. Fall back. 1 and 2. 3, plie 4. 5. This time no plie, just heel down. Close your arm, we drag in, and then immediately open. We do 4 times to the side. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Turn leg up in the air, 15 degrees, round. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Reverse arm, 4 times to the side. And then you plie, and back to the front. And plie, release bar. We do round again, start from without the bar, and work on turn out. And then you surgically plie, you really up finish. I give you 3 chances to work on your turn out muscle, okay? So, and the last one is release bar to do it. So one more time, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, look at my arm, 5 and 6. And drag in with closed arm, straight with open arm on 8. And then start from back, 1 and 2, 3, plie 4, 5, heel down on 6, drag in, and open on 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Fly, turn to front, round, all the way back, plie on 8. Reverse arm, 1, 2, 3, and 4. From back, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Release bar. One more time. Work on turn out muscle, all the way back. Surgically plie, really finish it. Okay? That's it. Everything slow, okay? Warm up your muscle. Alright. Arm, front. Again. Plie, turn to the side. Second position, plie. Drag in, close arm, open arm. Back. Back. Turn to the side, only heel down. Close arm and open arm. 4 times with arm circle. And plie. Turn to front, leg up, round. Feel the turn out muscle. Plie. Reverse arm. 4 times. And plie. From back. Tailbone go first, push. Yes. Plie, release bar. One last time. Round all the way. Surgically plie. And relay. Find the